Hey boo, it's aka Hillary Banks. If you're new here, I make content about being extremely gorgeous, both inside and out. This is my shower routine, my secret to poreless skin all over. I constantly receive compliments on how smooth and hydrated I look. Subscribe, you're gonna love this. This is for us. This body wash is sulfate-free while deeply cleansing and nourishing your skin. It smells so delicious, but don't play with her, she gets down and dirty. The lather is so rich, you see it. Now on to the real star. Baking soda is a natural antibacterial exfoliant. It attacks body acne and discoloration. It removes dead skin cells to reveal smooth, glowing skin. I have no pores, I pinky swear it. Don't recommend for daily use. I use it about 3 to 5 times a week. I used to cut myself all the time before I found this. Now every shave is smooth. This peppermint soap is so cooling. It's also really good for your skin, blackheads, acne. It's gonna purify your pores, perfect for oily skin. This is my girl. Panoxyl clears existing acne and prevents new breakouts by unclogging your pores and killing acne-causing bacteria. For the best results, I leave this on for like 2 to 5 minutes before I rinse it off. It can't be drying, so you have to moisturize. Any dry, itchy skin problems you have, gone. This contains cocoa butter and vitamin E for healthy looking skin. If I don't teach you anything else, always oil while wet. Bio oil has been proven by me to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. I'm telling you. I'm tempted to show you what I do when I get out of the shower. Drop a 2 in the comments if you have to see what happens next. There's so much more to share. Subscribe and comment below. Let me know your favorite part in this video.